Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and happy Halloween. It is truly scary down here in the off season. No, I'm just joking though. I always say it's scary because look how empty it is. It's very dark, very different than what you normally have during the season. But right now we're going to do something that we like to do in the off season, especially in Halloween. We're going to drive around and check out all of the amazing Halloween decorations. We'll stop by some of our favorite houses and kind of just show you what your corner house looks like down here, decorated for Halloween. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. Because of them, I get to make fun videos like this. Anyway, let's get started. This one is always my favorite. They go all out. It looks great, doesn't it? Yep. Free candy. On to the next one. This house here always goes all out on Christmas and Valentine's Day. I always love all of their decorations. I actually didn't know they made blow-ups like this one, like a snow globe. Absolutely love it. It's neon too, trick or treat. Did you see that? Never seen neon for Halloween before, except for down by was it Ultra Neon? But looks great. It's also funny that they have like a little bit of Christmas. Can you see the Christmas trees a little bit? Oh, those are actually the awards for winning the holiday decorations. It's 2021, 2021, and 2021. Yeah, we'll be back at Christmas time for this one. Let's continue. And look at this house. First of all, I didn't know they made massive signs like this. That is so cool. They have this like custom fence out front. A lot of mums going this way. This is creepy looking. The pumpkin's coming out of the ground. These are so cute. I think these guys are creepy. I didn't even got, well, look at that. Ooh, gotta get away before he flies down to get us. This house did a great job. Look how cool this one is. Got a big spider coming down from the house with more spiders on it. This blow-up guy here. Ooh, a couple skeletons. This one looks so cool. And Phillies! Woohoo! Anyway, let's continue. Yes, your eyes aren't lying to you. This is Christmas decorations. It's October, and there's Christmas up already. I'm wearing shorts. There's Christmas up. It's October. A month. I'll call back for you in a month. For our Christmas. Can we do this for Christmas as well? Anyway, back in the car. All right, we got to talk about this house because this is so cool. They have Happy Halloween over here, and they got a couple things I've never seen before. Okay, first of all, they've got bodies hung outside the houses, which is like really funny. They get skeletons everywhere. This guy's guarding this one, the steps to get up. They've got this baby thing. I don't even know what this is, but it's so like creepy looking. I don't know what it is. They got this crazy clown, and this right here. What is going on here? Look at this. You never want to get ice cream from this clown. Look, even ice cream looks like really upset. But the kicker of this whole situation is what's going on behind me with this golf cart, because it's a skeleton. Just hanging out in the golf cart. It's so funny. They did a great job. They did a really, really, really great job. We are outside Wildwood City Hall because they actually decorated this year. It looks great. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, well, the sign's finally done. If you came down during the summertime, you would notice the one in the middle. Well, they have two different things. We've got on the other side a sunrise. We've got seagulls on the other side, but we're here for this. The Halloween decorations. Well, really fall, but still, it looks great. Both sides. They also have stocks over here. And then I think there was a creepy guy on the other side too, but they did a great job. Checking out Fred's pumpkin. It looks so cool, right? And it also has a new sign. I didn't know that. It looks new to me. But yeah, if you ever come by, guys, this place is always cool. A lot of great neon for sale in here too. Wildwood W, a couple other things. I love this. So there you guys go. Those were some of our favorite decorated houses down here. Let me know in the comments section which one was your favorite. It seems like this year wasn't so much Halloween as last year. Not quite sure. There's still a lot of families down here in the off season, so maybe people are getting ready for Christmas. I mean, we did see that one house, right? Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to go ahead and be a part of the Patreon family and have your name at the end of the video plus some other perks, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is actually right down that way. See you later. Bye.